In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send MS Word file in Gmail. Whether you're sharing a report, a resume, or a proposal, this quick walkthrough will help you attach and send a Word document with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to your Gmail account. Make sure you're signed in and viewing your inbox so you can start a new message right away. If Gmail opens to another tab like Drafts or Sent, that's fine. Just navigate back to Inbox so the controls are easy to find. Next, click Compose. This opens a new message window, usually in the lower right corner of the screen. You can resize this window if you need more space to work. Take a moment to get familiar with the fields: To, Subject, and the main message area. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address carefully. Typing a few letters will bring up suggestions from your contacts, but double-check for typos before you move on. If you need to include others, you can optionally use the CC or BCC fields, but keep your primary recipient in the To field for clarity. Now add a clear, helpful subject line. Aim for something that tells the recipient what to expect at a glance, like updated contract, Word file attached, or meeting notes, just start DocX attachment. A precise subject makes your message easier to find later. Write your email text in the main body. Briefly introduce what the document is, why you're sending it, and what action, if any, you need from the recipient. Keep it concise but complete. A friendly opening line and a short sign-off go a long way toward making your message professional and easy to read. When you're ready to attach the Word file, click the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files. Your file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your document is saved, select the doc or .docx file and confirm. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see the file name appear at the bottom of the Compose window once it's attached. If the file is large, Gmail may suggest sending it via Drive automatically. That's normal. Just make sure the recipient will have access to open it. Before sending, do a quick review. Verify the recipient address, confirm the subject is clear, ensure the message reads well, and check that the Word attachment is visible. When everything looks right, click Send. You should see a confirmation that your message was sent, and you can find a copy in your Sent folder for your records. That's it. You've successfully sent a Microsoft Word file through Gmail.